Another day, another story. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the challenges that postdoctoral trainees need to overcome. Becoming a PhD requires a lot of hard work and dedication, but most PhDs need further training to be a fully independent research as principal investigator in their training area. After finishing all these trainings, they will have incredibly rewarding careers. So, if you're interested in pursuing an established research investigator career, keep watching. What are challenges that postdoctoral trainees have? Postdoctoral trainees face a variety of challenges during their training, including 1. Job instability. Postdoctoral positions are often short-term and may not offer the same job stability as more permanent positions, which can create uncertainty and anxiety about future career prospects. 2. Financial pressure. Postdoctoral salaries are often low compared to the level of education and expertise required, which can create financial stress and make it difficult to cover living expenses and repay student loans. 3. Work-life balance. The demands of postdoctoral training, including long hours in the lab and the pressure to publish, can make it challenging to maintain a healthy work-life balance. 4. Lack of mentorship. Some postdocs may struggle to find supportive mentors who can provide guidance and support for their research and career development. 5. Career direction. Postdocs may face uncertainty about their career path and struggle to navigate the complex job market, which can lead to feelings of frustration and discouragement. 6. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. Postdoctoral trainees from underrepresented groups may face additional challenges related to discrimination, bias, and a lack of resources and support to address these issues. 7. Institutional policies and practices. Some postdocs may encounter challenges related to institutional policies and practices, such as lack of access to benefits or limited opportunities for professional development. It is important for institutions to recognize and address these challenges to support the success and well-being of postdoctoral trainees. What is the biggest challenge of these 7? It's difficult to identify a single biggest challenge among the 7 listed, as different postdoctoral trainees may face different challenges depending on their individual circumstances and experiences. However, financial pressure is a commonly cited challenge among postdocs, as many postdoctoral positions offer relatively low salaries compared to the level of education and expertise required. This financial pressure can create significant stress and make it difficult for postdocs to cover living expenses, repay student loans, and save for the future. Addressing issues related to postdoc compensation and benefits is an important area for institutions to consider in order to support the well-being and success of their postdoctoral trainees. Which is better between university labs and federal labs for postdoctoral trainees considering multiple aspects? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best choice between university labs and federal labs for postdoctoral training will depend on a variety of factors such as your individual career goals, research interests, and personal preferences. Here are a few general considerations that may help you make an informed decision. 1. Research focus. If you have a specific area of research interest, you may want to consider whether university or federal labs have a stronger research program in that area. 2. Funding opportunities. Both university and federal labs may offer access to funding opportunities, but the types and levels of funding may vary. You may want to consider which institution has the most funding opportunities that align with your research interests. 3. Mentorship. The quality of mentorship is an important factor to consider when choosing a postdoctoral position. 3. You may want to research potential mentors at both university and federal labs and consider factors such as their track record of mentoring and the level of support they can provide for your career development. 4. Career goals. Your long-term career goals may also play a role in your decision. For example, if you are interested in pursuing a career in academia, a postdoctoral position at a research-focused university may provide more opportunities to gain teaching experience and build a network of collaborators. Ultimately, the best choice between university labs and federal labs for postdoctoral training will depend on your individual needs and priorities. It may be helpful to talk to other postdocs, faculty, and mentors in your field to gather more information and perspectives on the strengths and weaknesses of each option. Do you have the data on the salary of postdoctoral research associates in U.S. universities? According to data from the National Postdoctoral Association's 2020 Institutional Policy Report, the median salary for postdoctoral research associates in the United States is $50,004 per year. However, salaries can vary widely depending on factors such as field of study, location, and funding source. Additionally, some universities may offer higher or lower salaries based on their own institutional policies and practices. Do you have the data on the salary of postdoctoral research associates in U.S. federal government labs? According to the 2021 pay scale for federal employees, the salary for a postdoctoral research associate, pay plan, SL, grade, 01, at a federal government laboratory ranges from $48,670 to $100,739 per year, depending on the location and years of experience. It's worth noting that salaries may also be influenced by factors such as the field of study, the specific agency or laboratory, and the level of funding available. Additionally, some postdoctoral research positions at federal labs may be filled through mechanisms such as fellowships or other grants, which can also impact the level of compensation. Do you have the data on postdoctoral research associates in bio and medical majors? According to the National Postdoctoral Association's 2020 Institutional Policy Report, the median salary for postdoctoral research associates in the life sciences, which includes bio and medical majors, was $50,000 per year. However, this figure can vary depending on factors such as the specific field of study and the type of institution. Additionally, a survey by the American Society for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, ASPM, found that the median salary for postdoctoral researchers in the biological sciences was $50,000 per year in 2019. This survey also found that postdoctoral researchers in the biological sciences who worked at research universities tended to earn higher salaries than those who worked at nonprofit institutions or industry. It's important to note that salaries can also vary depending on factors such as geographic location, level of experience, and source of funding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.